Hello and good evening. Welcome to this evening's news bulletin on Gua 365 with me, Marsha D'Souza. The stories that made headlines today. Monsoon session of the State Legislative Assembly begins. Senior citizen found murdered at Asolna. Red Ribbon Express spreads message on AIDS awareness. Now for the news in detail. The monsoon session of the State Legislative Assembly was convened at 2:30 p.m. this afternoon. On day one itself, the opposition started targeting the government on the issue of illegal mining that is allegedly being carried out in the state in connivance with politicians of the ruling party.
Sangir MLA Vasudev Gaonkar raised the issue of illegal mining that is carried out in Sangir constituency.
जे म्हाका डायरेक्टर ऑफ मायन्स गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन की ही जी इल्लीगल मायन चालू आसा हेजेर एक्शन जावची आनी ही स्टॉप जावची कित्याक त्या लोकांचे थंय प्लांटेशन आसलें काजूचें प्लांटेशन जे एग्रीकल्चर शेत रोयतात लागीं मायनी तेकून जे एग्रीकल्चर जे पॅडी फील्ड आसा व्हडलें शेत आसा थंय झरी आसात थंय सुपारेचीं झाडां आसात आनी जी मायन चालू आसल्या कारणान तें रिजेक्शन जे डंपिंग करतात तेंचे जे काजूची जी प्लांटेशन आसा हें डंपिंग करून हें डिस्ट्रॉय जाता आनी ही इल्लीगल मायन आसा ती ताबडतोब बंद करून जे पळय लोकांची लॉस जाता लोकांचे एग्रीकल्चर जे लॉस जाता हेजेर हे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाचे डिमांड केल्लो हेजेर गव्हर्मेंटान कितें केलां इम्रान खान म्हणटा कोण ट्रेडर्स इम्रान ट्रेडर्स म्हणून हांगा मेन्शन केल्लें आसा तेंचें नांव.
Must be a trading in the mining ore. Must be a trader, registered trader aspa शकता.
Speaking on this issue, leader of the opposition, Manohar Parrikar, accused a firm by the name of Imran Traders for carrying out illegal mining activity and damaging agricultural land in Sangir Taluka.
Imran Trader म्हणून जो हे आसा ताजें ऑफिस आसा मडगांव तो ती मायन करता म्हणून हांवें सगळे कडच्यान डॉक्युमेंट घेवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो की ती मायन लिगली चल्ल्या काय कितें कारण लोकांची तक्रार आशिल्ली इल्लीगल मायन चल्ल्या आनी इल्लीगल मायन चलून आमची शेतां नश्ट जाता हांगा आमकां उत्तर दिलां मॅटर पर्टेन्स टू एग्रीकल्चर इट डज नॉट पर्टेन टू एग्रीकल्चर इट पर्टेन्स टू इल्लीगल मायनींग देर बाय डॅमेजींग एग्रीकल्चरचो डायरेक्ट संबंद नाशिल्लो लिगल मायनींगचो संबंद न्हय तो लिगल मायनींग आशिल्लें जाल्यार कलेक्टरा कडेन वतले आसले ते डॅमेज मागपाक इल्लीगल चल्ल्या म्हणून हो हे आशिल्लो आनी म्हणून हो इम्रान ट्रेडर जो आसा हो ट्रेडर थंय आपुणी मायन करता हो क्लेम सरकारा कडेन ताणें अनेकदां केल्ले आसा सरकारची इन्स्पेक्शनां जाल्ल्या वील मिनिस्टर बी एबल टू टेल मी वेदर हू इज द मायन ओनर ऑफ दीस केस
Mine owner is that is not yes enough Figueredo.
60 म्हजो प्रश्न आसा ही फिगरेदोची मायन रिन्यूल एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्सांच्यान रिन्यू जाल्या काय कितें ज्या जाग्यार मायनींग चालू आहा आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ नॉर्मल मायनींग लेट अस नॉट मिक्स अप लिगल मायनींग देर आर सो मेनी लिगल मायनींग 97 दिल्या म्हाका लिस्ट आय एम आस्किंग वेदर दीस फिगरेदो 65-61 इज अ लिगल मायन एंड हू इज दीस इम्रान खान proprietor of Imran Traders.
It is the valid lease and is having environmental clearance.
Mr. Parrikar also produced documents to support his claim.
This is list of all mines cleared by Environment Minister. I spoke to the concerned person exactly 10 minutes earlier. He told me every clearance is on this website. This is clearance of Imran Traders. This is a fraud because it does not mention survey number or mining lease number. It says Polodongar mine.
Given by whom?
This is given to me by your ministry, the mines department.
But certificate is issued by whom?
Certificate is issued by Dr. P.L. Ahurajai, Director, Government of India, Ministry of Environment and Forest. Their website does not indicate this. This is their website result, printed exactly half an hour prior to this question hour. This is environment clearance. The funniest part, the environment clearance does not mention the lease number. It does not mention survey number. I have every reason to believe that this is either a forged copy at the ministry level or a forged copy at this Imran Khan level. Because this Imran Khan has a political protection. He has been protected not only once, and this is not these villagers. Goa Foundation wrote to the ministry on 31st December 2007. They listed out about 12 cases of violations, and they had taken with them under High Court direction forest officers. तो मिनिस्टर कितें करता म्हाका खबर ना. आपलो सीट थंय घट दवरपा खातीर जें कितें चल्लां तें ताचे फाटल्यान एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर हांसता. He knows that he wrote in January end to the Chief Minister that action should be taken in 15 days, which Chief Minister concurred, but no action was taken. 10 lakh ton mine ह्या ओरांच्या ह्या हातूंच्यान काडलेली आसा under a forged certificate, and any child can find that this is a forged certificate. It does not have TC number, it does not have survey number. This is obtained by me from Mining Department of Goa. I spoke to Dr. Konto Ahujarai. He said all what he has signed is in the website. This is the website result printed at 2 o'clock today.
After producing the documents, Mr. Parrikar demanded immediate action against the firm carrying out the mining activity, to which the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath agreed.
Sure that there is a proper inquiry because this Imran Khan stays in Margao.
Many people stay in Margao. That is a separate. Speaker sir, let me make a very clear point that on such occasions there is no question of who resides in Margao, who belongs to which political party. This is a categorical assurance I am giving. Before the end of this house session, we will table on the, we'll put the report on the table of the house, all the facts.
Speaker sir, डायरेक्टराक कॉपी धाडटा म्हणटा तो. कॉपी येतकच डायरेक्टर कॉपी वाचता काय ना. हू इज इम्रान ट्रेडर, वॉट इज द सर्वे नंबर, वॉट आर द TC नंबर तुम्ही पळया जाय जाल्यार. इट डज नॉट, यू रीड इट. I have read it top to bottom. There is no survey number, there is no TC number. He only gives clearance for 65.47 hectares, 68.47 hectares of land to be used for 58.27 hectares of land to be used for mining.
If it is fraud or if it is manipulated.
fraud असा जाल्यार तुझ्या डिपार्टमेंटाक कशें कळ्ळें ना की हाजेर TC नंबर ना म्हणून.
माझ्या
department allowed it to mine.
That is what I said. I'll inquire into the entire episode and put up the report before the end of the session.
Report कित्याक जाय? Action.
What action we have taken? That also will inform. What action we have taken?
It is in connivance with forest. BD म्हणून तुका नाव सांगले. ताणे परमिशन कशें येयलें कापपाचें झाडां?
We will inquire into it. No, I don't come to know everything. I don't come to know.
Former House Committee, we will go into the details.
Place on the table of the House.
Speaker sir,
even action
let
proposed.
him form the House Committee. We will go into the details because all are मिली भगत आसा हातून. तो बीडी ताका लायसन दिता, फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर ओग्गी बसता, बहुतेक करून ते बक्षीस ताजे म्हणून ताका काढून ना दिपातलो मिनिस्ट्रीतलो. जर तू कापाचा,
let him place the table, this on the.
I'm placing it on the table of the House.
And before the end of the session, we will also intimate the action initiated.
Action initiated, no action घे.
Action घेऊनच सांगता किती action घेतला ते. ना action घेऊनच सांगता किती action घेतला ते.
See, the fact is,
we will take action.
The House also paid respects to the memory of former Speaker and freedom fighter, late Mr. Froilano Machado, and the member of the 5th Legislative Assembly from Pale constituency, late Gurudas Gawas.
Still has him in his mind. It's very difficult to forget that Gurudas Gawas is no more today amongst us, but definitely